everyone. Today we will discuss mall customer segmentation using K-means clustering. Just the imagination, you are walking into a shopping mall with 1,000 of customers. Each person is a different mindset or different characteristics. Some came for shopping luxury brands, some hunts for discounts, while others just hang out for a coffee. Now, if you are the mall manager or a business owner, how do you understand your customer patterns or customer behaviors? How do you make sure the right product reaches the right person? That's a way customer segmentation comes in. Customer segmentation is the process of where diving customers into different groups based on their characteristics like age, annual income, spending score, or a lifestyle. Instead of treating all customers the same, business group them so they can target them more effectively. And here is the one question we have: why we used customer segmentation? We use mall customer segmentation for four major reasons. One is understanding customer behavior. It means it helps us see who spends more, who shops less, and what kind of customers visit. The second point is targeted marketing. Instead of wasting money on random ads or advertisements, all can run personalized promotions. For example, premium shoppers get luxury offers, while budget shoppers get discount coupons. Here we have targeted marketing. Third point is improved customer experience. Different groups want different experiences. Segmentation ensures every type of customer feels valued. The fourth point is better business decisions. From product placement to store management, segmentation gives data driven insight to the boost profit. For example, with K-means, in data analytics, one common technique is K-means clustering. We take data like age, annual income, and spending score, and then group customers into cluster. For example, cluster 1 have offer discount and entry coupons. Cluster 2 have promote luxury products. Cluster 3 have buy one get one deals. Like this cluster we are grouping with offering. This helps to business design often and strategies tailored to each groups. The mall customer segmentation transforms raw data into valuable insights. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the understanding people, improving their shopping journey, and helping businesses grow smarter. So next time you will do a mall reminder, you might already be